Hey folks, Randy here with Dulin Cut Trim. So today it's nice and cold, and I had heard there was going to be a snowstorm, so I didn't schedule any jobs for today. Of course, it turns out I was wrong. But so I planned on being in the shop today, and we're going to tackle the transmission on this mower here. So as you may remember in the previous video, three of the four bolts that hold this transmission in place, the threads completely ripped out of. So this transmission is only being held in place by one bolt, and the vibration of that made it so that basically the mower, it'd be faster for me to push the mower and walk behind it than it was to ride on a sulky. While we're doing that, we're also going to take the opportunity to replace the flange bearings on both sides, and really just kind of clean up and kind of rehab the whole transmission pulley system, because the thread inserts, that's going to be interesting. I've never done that before. Yeah, so I'll take you along for the ride with me. Now, Harbor Freight really made me think that I was getting the cool black gloves, but they're blue. I know it doesn't matter, but I feel less cool now. Step one is to remove this snap ring. See it. One side hooked, two sides hooked. There we go. Now this should just slide right off. Well, or it would, but the belt's on it, and the tensioner is very tensioned, so just need to loosen it. There we go. Put that out of the way. Belt off, and it falls right out. That's definitely good for it. Ugh. And I don't know if you can tell, but no bolt. This bolt is secure up here, and this one, I can literally just take it out by hand, but I'm not going to do that because it's annoying. So now we got to take off this cover. Unspring the spring. There we go. And just take the spring out. Put it somewhere. Gotta put the spring somewhere where you won't lose it. Get the bolt out. There are two more bolts for this cover, but I never do that. I just bend it back. Whoa. Oh, that's not good. Oh. It's not supposed to be able to do that. Okay. The other thing that's not making sense is... whatever. I'm going to repeat that process on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to start on the first part of the project, which is replacing the flange bearings. So, I mean, it's fairly simple to do. You just got to get your snap ring pliers in there. Well, actually, this one's probably so jacked up. Let's see. I don't really want to damage anything. Actually, I think this might might be the original snap ring. Yeah, and so my snap ring pliers aren't going to work on this because the rings are too small. Actually, my snap ring pliers are kind of falling apart, but I think I might be able to just muscle it off. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so that's trash. Don't reuse snap rings anymore, because I'm a professional. And so then we're gonna get this snap ring. I'm still definitely an amateur when it comes to small engine repair, and that's going to become kind of evident here in a second, because I inspected these flange bearings once before, and I think I may even said it on camera. I said something really dumb on camera. So, alright, so here are the original flange bearings. Actually, in this one you can see the seal's not even, like, the seal just fell out. So you see how that's like that? You can just wiggle it. You see that? This one actually is in much better shape. But that one, this one, and I mean, I think a bunch of the races are even missing, or the bearings, whatever, the balls, whatever. So that's what 20-year-old ones look like. Here's the replacement, and like, you see all that play, you can hear it. There's no play here. These are actually very, very tight and stiff. So honestly, this probably, along with the vibration from the bolts being missing out of the transmission, this probably had a lot to do, because this is causing vibration and extra friction that was probably slowing things down. So those are junk. But the other thing that we're going to do before we put this all back together is we're going to clean everything, including these couplers. Get all the gunk and junk out of them and get them good and ready to go for the next season. And let's see. You see what I'm doing? Yeah, you can. Gotta love GoPros, man. Field of view is great. Alright, and then hammer. Close enough. And then, there we go. There we go. Well, all there's left to do is to put the flange bearings back on. Nice and tight. Perfect. I just used the snap ring kit from Harbor Freight. I believe these are the 5/8. Yep. It'd be helpful if I put that on the correct way. I have like a really nice, like $40 pair of snap ring pliers. It fell behind the bench, and I don't feel like getting it. we go. So that's stepped in. Are you still recording? Yeah, you are. Go. There we go. So that's all done. Okay. Now for the fun part. This was easy. And putting that back on is super simple. It's just a reverse of what I just showed you. Now, or actually I should say in the next video, I'm going to redo all the threads in this transmission so that it can be saved. I don't know if I'm even I don't even know if I'm capable of doing this, but I'm gonna try.